Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Nest Hub and preparing your phone. This step matters because the hub pairs via the Google Home app. Once powered, make sure your phone uses the same Wi-Fi network, otherwise pairing will fail. Open Google Home, tap Plus, and choose Setup Device. Follow on-screen prompts. You'll sign into your Google account and grant the microphone and location permissions so voice commands and local services work correctly. After pairing, the device will download updates. Let it finish before moving on. Once paired, you configure voice match and set your preferred assistant language so responses personalize for you. Next, link accounts for streaming and smart home services. This lets you say, "Hey Google, play my playlist," or control lights. In Google Home, assign the hub to a room that organizes multi-device control. Make sure routines are enabled and customize triggers. This automates morning briefings or bedtime lights. Finally, review privacy settings and adjust camera or display permissions to match your comfort level. You'll interact with the hub using voice, touch, and routines, mix methods for speed and reliability. For example, say, "Hey Google, good morning," to trigger news, lights, and calendar, or swipe down to open quick settings. Create shortcuts for one-tap actions and pin favorite smart devices to the home view. If the hub becomes unresponsive, reboot it first, then verify Wi-Fi, restart your router, and update the Google Home app. If problems persist, factory reset as a last resort and repair the device.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.